Yeah, I'm speaking to Mr. R. Joshi, the MD of Festo. Sir, so my question to you is, you have displayed many products over here. Could you give me some of the products, latest ones, and some technology benefits that customers can actually derive while using your products?
Yeah. Well, we haven't displayed only the products here. We have displayed solutions. What customers need is not products, they need solutions. And that's a direction more and more we are getting in. What you see here of what new we have shown is a right solution, a right product for right solution. So depending on what customer needs, we use the technology, whether it is pneumatics or electrics or combination thereof. We also have certain solutions which are ready-made, plug and play. So you select a solution. The programming is very easy. So the products and solutions are complex, but the usage is made easy. And that's what we more and more display here. Apart from the solutions for industrial automation, we also have solutions here for training in automation. So this is what we're promoting here more.
Sir, just a general, if you look at the market sentiments, there is already a lot of enthusiasm and positivity in the environment, and Imtex is also reflecting. Could you share a few words on that itself, sir?
Well, Imtex takes place, when we speak about metal cutting now, every 2 years. And we from Festo, we participate in Imtex since 80s. So it is, we are a long time, we have been observing Imtex. We've been seeing how Imtex has been more and more successful and visited by people from all over the country. 2 years ago, Imtex has also been excellent. This year, what we see is that so-called positiveness and positive mood, which we see when I go around in this exhibition and see how people are interested in solutions, how people are interested in new technologies, machines. And this is first time what I see more and more, that machines integrated with automation in it. In olden days, we used to see CNC machines, CNC machines, CNC machines, and today you see it is all with loading, unloading systems, etc., etc. So this is a trend more going on.
Thank you so much.